tap on subscribe button and bell icon and get the latest update from the troubleshooter.
Friends, if you are having trouble by the automatic Windows update in your PC, then here is the solution. Hello friends, this is Indresh and welcome to my channel Troubleshooter. In this video, I am going to show you that how can you fix it or how can you stop the automatic Windows update in your PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, first of all go to this PC and right click on it. In here you can see an option manage, so click on it. After that you can see a window and an option service and application, so double click on it. In here you can see an option services, double click. You will have to search for Windows Update. Okay, here is it, as you can see. So double click on it. In here you can see display name Windows Update and startup type manual. So click on down arrow key and click disabled. By this you can stop the automatic Windows update in your PC. So friends, if this video was useful for you, then like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Troubleshooter. Till then, bye bye friends, and we will meet in our next video.